Why'd you follow me to the direction of the camera?
Intro the vlog, dude.
Welcome back to the vlog, guys. My name is premiumautostyling, and we're here to deliver you car wraps. Because that's what we do here, do car wraps.
Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. A bunch of stuff already going on in the shop. We're gonna catch you guys up to speed. This guy over here, we started wrapping last night. Johnny and I put in probably an hour on it, right? Not too long. I mean, believe it or not, the biggest portions of the car are the easiest parts to wrap. Right, Anthony? Yeah. Whole quarter panel door, quarter panel all the way back, everything's been laid. That took about an hour. We're gonna go ahead and get the side skirt done today. We're gonna get the fender done. We're gonna try to get the hood done, probably the trunk. Basically, this whole side of it all the way around. We're gonna get it to the satin black. Very, very easy conversion. We're going from gloss black to satin black. Another thing that we have in the shop is we got soooo back there. Soooo came in for a roof wrap, so we're getting that thing prepped up, cleaned, and ready to go. Customers in the lobby. So that's one of those projects that we're gonna get in and out. Maybe not too much film. You've seen a ton of roof wrap videos on our channel. So if you guys wanna watch and learn how to wrap a roof, I'm gonna link right up above in the cards to go to our other roof wrap videos, DIY. Some of these ones that will teach you better than I can actually do today because we got a lot going on. So I'm gonna get in there, help Johnny out. We're gonna wrap that roof, get that car out. We also have a Mercedes coming in, possibly for a full chrome delete. So a bunch of chrome on the Mercedes we're gonna try to get rid of. We'll show you the guys the process of that. Let's just do this. All right, let's be very, very quiet. I don't want the customer to get offended because the customer's sitting out there in the lobby. No big deal. We have probably the craziest, most dirtiest roof we've ever seen in our life. And I'm gonna rub my hand because I want you guys to hear it. Damn! It's covered in sap. It's covered in something. So before we can actually wrap it, we have to make sure we get all of that cleaned off. Another thing that it had was a vortex generator, which we've already removed. So this is all the 3M adhesive tape, which we're gonna have to get off before we can actually wrap. Our biggest challenge today is gonna be getting this off and actually getting all of whatever's on here off before we can actually wrap the roof. So the roof wrap itself probably takes 15 minutes to lay, trim, cut, get done, but the prep is gonna be the longest thing, and it's always that. So right now in prep, we're probably gonna spend about an hour getting this done. 30 minutes, 45 minutes of clay barring. This is what it sounds like now. Way different. Sounded like sandpaper before. So we got it all cleaned up. We're gonna start laying the roof wrap now. Like I said, let's get back to time lapse. All right guys, here's what it looks like. The roof had a lot of damage on it. We were able to bring it back and get it looking this damn good. I think it looks really nice. It looks like a gloss black paint job. Good job, Johnny.
Good job, Daniel.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Come give me a high five, don't leave me hanging. Bam! Roof wrap's done. One of our customers might have canceled. We don't know if it's coming in or not, so our day might free up a tad bit to where we can actually get some of our goals done. One of my big goals is to get the bulk of this car finished. I really, really want to finish this thing up. I'm loving the way it's looking so far. If you look at the satin black versus the gloss, yeah, that looks cool, like nice and shiny, but I feel like the Mustang's just supposed to be stealth like this. One of the hard parts about this car is laying the film right here into this recess and not having any adhesive lines or any overstretch, any discoloration. As you can see, your boys did it right. So we fed the material in properly. We kind of just sat it in here and then worked our way up and down. When we get to the opposite side, I want to do my best to show you guys how we did that. Some of the feedback you guys gave us on one of our 2 videos ago, I asked you guys if you guys are wrap enthusiasts. What are you guys? A lot of you guys are wrap installers or hobbyists doing it at home, trying to attempt this, and that's super cool. So I want to say thank you guys for the feedback. It's really cool to see like you guys engage in the comment section. So I'm hoping that I can come up with something to ask you guys in this video that you can comment below. But right now, my mind's just not working that way. I need to get back to work. So by the end of the vlog, I will have something that I need you guys to comment. But just in general, use the comment section. Johnny, myself, Lauren, Christian, Anthony, we all try to stay in the comment section and answer as much as possible. So ask away. Back from lunch. Give you guys a little energy because I got some pizza slices in me. Kick these dudes' ass at Jenga at lunch. I think I won. How do you win Jenga? Oh, it's not about who won, it's about who lost. So congratulations to the loser over there. We're back at the shop. We're gonna get back working on this thing. We also had a surprise drop off. We have a new, not new, 2008 Toyota 4Runner. Christian's gonna be doing templating on it. If you guys don't know this, I hope this makes it in the vlog before the show actually happens. So on Sunday, this coming Sunday, which the date is Sunday, November 18th, here at Premium, we're gonna be doing a open house benefit truck meet. So the thing is, we're inviting all the Toyotas and the Tacomas out to come hang out with us, but I don't want you guys to think that's limited. We are open for anybody to come out and visit and anybody to spectate, but what Premium's gonna be doing regularly is we wanna have car meets that are catered to certain industries to where it's just narrowed down to where we can connect with you guys, all the Focus drivers, all the Subaru drivers, all the Tacoma drivers. So we'll have certain meets. If you have a suggestion for the next one, if you drive a Mustang, if you drive a Focus ST, if you drive a Toyota Tacoma, if you drive a BRZ, I don't know what it is, comment below. We can have a meet specifically for you guys. But this weekend, November 18th, we're gonna be doing a Toyota Tacoma meet, and we also will be doing a disaster relief charity show kind of with it. So there's a bunch of fires going on in Southern California. Same thing going on last year. If you go back to some of our vlogs, we were trying to do stuff to help last year, but this year fires are going on again. Definitely very, very heavy stuff going on, and we want to do what we can where we can. So at this event, we're going to be taking donations of sleeping bags, any type of monetary contribution that you can make, whether it be $1, $5, $10, whatever it is. We're going to be accepting donations for people that are affected by the fires. So that'll be going on. More details to come. Look at our Instagram. Go over to our Instagram right now, as a matter of fact. There will be a flyer up by then. So back to elaborate one more time, Christian's gonna be working on that 4Runner, creating templates, because a lot of the Toyotas, the 4Runners, the Tacomas, the Tundras will be here. So we wanna create products specifically for you guys. And that's what Christian's gonna work on today, is creating a bunch of different pre-cut overlays for the Toyota 4Runner. Let's get it! Woo!
So she brought you and your family something.
No way.
Yeah.
It's for my baby?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go see it. Have you introduced her to the vlog?
Huh?
Have you introduced her to the
Oh,
vlog?
that's my girlfriend.
That's girlfriend. What? What is
You have to
this?
put the petals in here.
Oh my god.
Isn't it the cutest
Dude. It's like a little wedding dress. Are you guys getting married?
No.
This is for your wedding?
for a long
Dude,
time.
she's gonna be the flower girl.
thing? No.
That's what our flower girl had.
That's awesome. Thank you so much. I love it. I love it. Thank you. I told you guys by the end of the vlog I'd have a question for you guys, and I'm so tired. You can look in my eyes, you can see how tired I am. So the question that I'm gonna have for you guys will be cheesy, but I think that you guys will enjoy answering. I hope you will. Let's fill up the comment box. Let's get some feedback. And the question that I have for you guys is, let's go through the realm of cars that we have in here right now and tell me which one's your favorite. Which one would you drive? Which one would you take off and make your own if you could? So the first thing we have here is what? Is that a Challenger? I don't know. Challenger right here. It's a RT. You got the Mustang, which is going satin black, and it's supercharged, correct? Whipple charged, so it makes it even better. So I like that. You got the broken R33 over here, Rodnock, Mr. Rodnock R33, and then you have the Rocket Bunny FRS with, what do you got in here? What is that? What is that? Where's the turbo? Where's the turbo? The 4Runner's here. This is the weird year. I don't know about this 4Runner. This was the off year in my opinion, but yes, there's a Toyota 4Runner in here. Also, this is a 2008 model, which we got pre-cut overlays coming for it. Today, you guys seen a bunch of stuff. You've seen Johnny and I wrap part of this Mustang. You've seen us work on the bumper over there. If you look right over there, Bumper's fully wrapped. All of the Rocket Bunny kits wrapped. Everything's done on this thing. We just gotta put it back together. With the exception of the carbon fiber hood and the carbon fiber trunk that we have, we're gonna be doing an install on that. So that's why we haven't wrapped those parts, because we got new carbon parts coming. Thank you guys so much for watching the vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching us work, because that's all you guys are watching here is just Johnny and I, Christian and I, Antoine, Edwin, Lauren, all of us just working. We appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for the support. Go follow us on Instagram. I'm gonna link all of our Instagrams below. Go drop us a comment on our personal Instagrams. Go say hello. We'll see you guys in the next vlog.